you about my hood, let me tell you about my block. So many hoodlums, so many cops. Two ways out, get paid or in the box. One way to win, do what you can and shake the spot. Slugs pill, a lot of drug deals and thugs kill. It's all for money and the power cause the buck's real. And if you're scared, homie, you can cop a church still. Pray to God, see if he even gives a fuck still. There's no religion, just these concrete saints that only kneel when the sharpness shanks. In the street and in the holding tanks. In the west by the stormy banks. Where in war does your army rank? Soldier, I seen this shit young, that's why my poison tongue only spits about my boys with guns. Fire got you shook, you only hear the noise and run. And that fear makes extortion fun, you ain't the one. If all hoods are the same, let me tell you about mine. All these young kids doing street level crime. Some on the run and some doing time. We gotta turn these kids to a six-side mind. Cali is New York is shot down, the whole block's when you're out on the street doing dirt with your clique, just remember that legit gets the law of the dick.
Now I don't wanna be stuck with this bad luck shit. All you mushed out bitches I can't fuck with.
Hi.
License?
Oh, no license for me, my friend. Okay. I go?
What else you got? Give me, give me something.
No license for me.
Really?
No, no. ¿Qué?
Alright, you got a Mexico one?
Sí.
Alright, give it to
Mi green card?
I'll take
Sí,
that.
okay. Está bueno. Está bueno.
Alright, that's pretty cool, man.
Alright, man.
Enjoy
Yeah,
the
man.
car from... Where'd you get it
CarMax.
from? That place pretty cool or no?
Yeah. Look at those girls are checking us out. They wanted
Hey.
to come to you.
One chance you want to talk to him. His name's Casey.
I'm sorry?
Oh, yeah!
Alright.
Woo!
Never mind. My husband works with me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm sorry. I don't want to mess with no officers.
Turn these kids to a six-side mind. LA is, New Jersey is, B-Town, the whole block's when you're out on the street doing dirt with your clique, just remember that legit gets the law of the dick. I'm from a crooked angle, hey homie, make my dust angel. The city block got me locked in a tight strangle. Graffiti bomb, city walls by the knife angle. At least 2 raw milli walls in the star spangle. That's what the border's for, exercise the art of war. In the hood but not in yours, that's when the shotties roll. Watch where you're at, man, the streets in the constant sport. Or try to be a hero, that's what the cops are for. The lifestyle we lead is money, whiskey, and weed. And gun battles make it risky indeed. No money, more problems, got my city in need. The CA all day where we hustle and bleed. Scrape the Cali concrete for dough. Stay hungry in the street cause this music shit's about to blow. Trying to stay out of the county so I dodge the law.